So this is the Bangla house now, right?
Yes, this is the Bangla house now.
And you are Hilda.
Yeah, my name is Hilda.
How many of you are here now, the local staffs?
The local staffs, we are about 17.
Okay.
Yes,
You're from NTB?
I live in Entebbe.
What do you do especially here?
I work here as a receptionist.
And
I welcome in guests, check them in, check them out, and
tell me about the guests. Are they coming?
yes, they are.
What are the types of the guests that you see every day?
Every day, mostly we have Bangladeshis.
Bangladeshis
Yes,
from the United Nations missions.
from the United Nations missions.
Any other local Bangladeshis from around the East African countries?
I have from the East African countries.
Yeah.
We have local guests
Okay.
like Ugandans, and then we have guests who come usually from Kenya.
I saw the previous videos. There are programs happening like birthday parties and the weddings. These are happening now.
Not so much, but yes, we do have those who have meetings, birthdays, and baby showers.
What about the walk-in guests? They used to come before. Are they coming more, or just about it, or less?
Walk-in guests who come in are not as much as they used to, but we do have them coming in.
I see.
Yes.
What do you suggest that we do to build more awareness across the channels?
Yeah, we need to do more of the advertising.
Okay.
Yes, we let the people know that Bangladesh, Bangla House is here for them. 'Cause we
How
have
many other Bangladeshi hotels here around this place? Just this or any other?
not any that I know, but this is the place that I know.
How many local hotels around this place?
Local hotels, we have quite a lot of them.
Why is that? For the Lake Victoria or
Yes, because of Lake Victoria.
the tourists?
The tourists, and because we are near the airport, so it makes it easy for people to get accommodation.
We are very near the airport, right?
Yeah.
How much time it takes from NTB airport to reach here? About 10 minutes?
About 10 to 15 minutes.
And you have the transportation arrangement, right?
We have airport pickups and airport drops available at the Bangla House.
That includes in the pricing of the hotel?
It includes in the pricing of the hotel.
Also the food?
You pay once, that includes accommodation, includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, airport pickups and drops.
How much is that in general?
That is $30.
That's quite reasonable, right?
It's quite affordable.
What about the other hotels around this place? How much they charge for the stay only?
For the stay, it's more than $30, and then their airport pickups and drops, it's not inclusive.
I see. Then I'm hoping that there will be more guests coming, right?
Yes, we hope so.
Any
we
other
are very hopeful that we get more guests.
any other suggestions you have, especially for the tourists from Bangladesh, those who would be coming for safaris in Kenya maybe, or Zinja, or the source of the Nile visits, things like that?
Yes.
What do I need to do?
Well, when you come at the hotel, we have the facilities, we have the cars, we have the drivers that will take you to Jinja or any other place around Uganda that you need to go at a fair price.
They can also go as far as Kampala?
Yes, because Jinja is...
How many superstores here, the shopping malls?
We have the well-known shopping malls are two. That's Victoria Mall and Imperial Mall.
Not far from here, right?
Not far from here. Victoria Mall is like 5 minutes walk away from
I can
Bangla
literally
House.
walk to the mall,
You
right?
can literally walk to the mall.
And what about the Lake Victoria? How far is the Victoria Lake?
It's 3 to 5 minutes walk away from here as well.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
I can take a morning walk there in the morning, right?
Yes, you can take a morning walk and an evening walk.
Thanks very much, Hilda.
You're
Nice
welcome,
talking
sir.
to you.
Nice talking to you, sir.